Which one of the following statement does not support the concept of third degree price discrimination? First of all, we have to understand what is meant by third degree price discrimination. It is nothing but the firm is charging the different prices for the different group of consumers for the same product, right? Different prices for different consumers for the same product, but the product is same. So it is called third degree price discrimination. So here the options given are: the firm must have the monopoly power. This type of price discrimination is most likely to occur in manufacturing industry, and the firm must be able to keep the two markets separate. The price elasticity and demand for the commodity must be different in two markets. Here the most appropriate option is option 2. It is in this option they told that it is most likely to occur in manufacturing industry, but it is not correct. Why? Because this third degree price discrimination can occur in any industries where all these three conditions, the monopoly power, two separate markets, the price elasticity and demand is different in two markets. Wherever this happens, there will be a third degree price discriminations. It is not specific for this manufacturing industries and all. It can be found in service sectors, digital goods, and even transport sector also.